So, hello and welcome back. And I just want to thank you all viewers. Really nice work of you. And of course also subscribers. Thank you very much. So let's jump to what's new. And you see it's version 0.7 here. And I don't know if you noticed, but you can also play back. The news, absolutely news here, is that the address bar get highlight by default when you start up the application. So you don't need to move the course and click here. You don't need to move the keyboard to put it up here like Control L, like I showed you in the last video. So it's basically here up and running by default. So yeah, and before I show you the other feature, which is also very important, is this one. Instead of this one, like we used to write, we can basically now only write like this. Boom. You see? That's the news. And this is very important for me and as well all developers, because it will save us time to skip this part. I mean, this one we can hang on with, I think. But yeah. And if you compare the old version, you see it stands here by default. I mean, come on. When you bring up your browser, you just want to begin to write something like, I don't know, hello. Yeah, you see, that's my point. It will save time. So small improvement, but yeah, that's the thing. And also, like, you can't write like this in .com. You see, it won't work in the old version. You were forced to use the old manuscript. You see? And if you could, maybe it would work like with this one as well. Yes. So I just want to thank you everyone, and we'll see you soon again. Bye bye.